Yeah. It's just
Oh, your
typical.
camera, good thing.
Typical thing because of all the grease.
Yeah.
When was the last time you flushed the lines out? Huh?
No, it's happened all the time on the other side too.
So, when was the last? What other side?
The front unit, 280.
Here?
Yes.
So
It's
they're
the
back
same
to
thing,
back.
No problem, yeah.
So the two units are back to back then. Okay. The water just come by itself?
No, when they someone is using upstairs, yeah.
Yeah,
So all the water is coming up here.
All right.
not cold. This is not cold. Taste.
Can we ask them to use the sink then up there because I asked them to start
Yeah, sure.
so that we can check.
You got the hot water running upstairs?
Yeah, I told you.
There's no hardly any hot water in this part. Look, that's the hot water.
I don't know.
Why? The water's on full. Maybe it's the cartridge.
Turn up the water.
I turned it back.
Oh, you turn the water on?
Yeah, but you never get. Is your hot water always that low?
No.
Then why is it so low?
Pressure should be the same as the cold water.
Well, you would expect it to be, but it's not though. That's why I was asking you. This valve is full, and this valve is full. So that's why I was asking. Why?
This I was plugging up or making the water come back up.
Yeah, well, the drain is fucked. The big concern is like the water hole. Couldn't pass by your apartment because the drain line was fucked.
That's why it came back.
Right. This happened before? You're no fun.